everyone, welcome back to Say Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Super Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngenimba. Hlala phansi ke uzwe kahle. Guys, ngizuleke last week ukuthi ke bathi ke uzethu udevelop a sickness ezodinga ukuthi bagcine beterminate her pregnancy. But guys, bose ngathi uzethu akasafuni ukuterminate ke umntwana and she will keep her baby. But ke guys, umama kazethu akafuni ukuthi ke ayibone ke leyo nto, ubefisa ngathi angakhipha ke isisu, but ke guys uzethu uthi cha ngeke ke azakwazi ukwenza lokho. And sibona ke guys umama ke kazethu engazuthi ke kunakho ukuxoxisana ifamily ke yakwamabandla, but ngazuthi umama kazethu ke she is getting along with uHlathi and umnike ihagi guys. Uthumeke isikhwele sithi hayibo usuhage indoda yami kangaka sis, or bane history we don't know, but niyasazi guys ukuthi ke inimba linama secret nje avela niwabone sevela nje. So asazi guys noma there is history between umama kazethu kanye ke noHlathi, kodwa leya hagi hayi ngiyakutshela nami ngiyifilile. So ke guys kuzokwenzeka ke kanjalo, okunye kuzokwenzeka ukuthi ke uAzande kanye ke noQhawe they are plotting to destroy noma ke uLazarus kanye ke noQhawe they are planning to destroy uAzande, and bazosebenza bobabili ke in that guys. And ke kwasengazi ukuthi ke izinto ke ziqala zishube lapha ke ekhusela njengoba sizwa ukuthi kuzinesinye futhi iskandal ke esizovela. So guys yeah zinjalo ke kuleli viki ikhona ke ongase ke expect, but nje okukhulu kakhulu indaba ke indaba ke kazethu nengane guys. Sifuna iphile yangane izobola ikamva wethu bakithi after the passing of ke uLikamva. As for uThumeka guys, hey kubi I don't want to lie, uThumeka guys ngathi uthi uzoqalwa yenye inkinga manje yesikhwele ke manje. And ke sizwa ke uThandeka emtshela ukuthi uzethu ufuna a peaceful space, akafuna indawo ke toxic. Ngazi guys noma uzethu uzohamba uhlala ke khona kamabandla or kuzokwenzekalani, but nje bathi udinga indawo peaceful. And uThumeka ayishem hayi akekho nje peaceful wakhona. And ke kwasengazi ukuthi ke she will be more difficult than what we expected before. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.